Hi, my name is Teri Lee from Sweet Pea Papers, and this is our announcement of our contest winner for our 700 contest. I'd like to thank everybody who entered, and I'd also like to thank all the members of the Facebook group and all the subscribers at the YouTube channel. And you guys are the ones that give me a reason to do these videos and tutorials and things. So once again, I'd like to thank everybody. Now the winner is going to receive a one-on-one tutorial from me or lesson from me, and I will private message you after the drawing and let you know that you won, and then we'll set up a time and a topic, and then we will get going with the learning. Okay, so let me generate a number between 1 and 50. There were 50 of you that entered. The random number is 6, and number 6 is Judy Barons LaRue. And so Judy, you've won the private lesson, and congratulations. I will private message you after this drawing is over, and then we will set up a time, and I've got a place set up, and we will get this done. Hopefully we will have another contest soon for the 1000 drawing, because that will be the next one. So be sure to get your friends to subscribe and your friends to become members at the Facebook group. All those links will be below, of course. And then we can have another contest and a different prize maybe. And you guys can have some fun with me. All right, I will see you guys in the next video. And that will be just a second for you and a day for me. Bye-bye.